In this video, I will show you how can you see your Google search history. You can see here this is my Google search history. Then if you want delete your Google search history, then you will can see here option delete. You will can delete if you want to delete all of your Google search history, and if you also can delete one by one from there. So in this video I will show the process how can you find and delete your Google search history. So it's a very simple process. What you have to do, only come here on your Google. After come here on your Google, you will can see here your profile icon. You have to simply tap here on your profile icon. After tapping here profile icon, you will can see here search history. You have to simply click here search history. After clicking here search history, you will can see here this kind of interface. You can see here it's loading. After loading, you will can see here this kind of interface. You can see all the search history, and if you want to delete one of them, you can simply click here cause, and then you will can see here delete option. If you want to delete all of them at a time, then you will can see here delete bar. You have to simply click here delete, and you will can see here delete all time. You have to simply click here delete all time, and then you have to simply click here next. After clicking here next, you will can see here delete option. If you click here delete option, your all search history will be deleted. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.